Okay.
The raccoon's playing with her meth pipe.
Alright.
Oh, there's no one. He's trying to smoke it.
Alright.
How many meth pipes are in here? If you ever wanted to see a raccoon smoke a meth pipe, well then don't click away, because that's exactly what you're gonna see in today's video. I'm Squink. I used to be a cop. I'm not anymore. Now I do these videos where I walk in blindly, do a new body cam video every single day to give you a glimpse into how the cops are thinking. Because I'm here to answer the one question that everyone wants to know. And that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? So I'm here to answer that question and whatever else pops up in today's video. Here we go. Alrighty. Police find raccoon with meth pipe. Can't wait for this. Police find raccoon with meth pipe in its mouth during Ohio traffic stop. Alright. I've never seen this. I cannot wait, literally.
Hi, how are we doing today? I'm Officer
Good.
Branham, Springfield Township Police Department.
Okay, stop it, Josh. How are you?
So the reason I stopped you is you are suspended with a warrant for your arrest.
I am?
And also, by chance, did I see a raccoon smoking a meth pipe in your passenger seat? My eyes could be playing tricks on me, but I'm pretty sure I saw that.
So, do me a favor, turn off the car, put the keys up on the dash, detain you for that warrant, and because you are suspended actively.
Also, while we're here, just quick question. There's not anything in the vehicle that's going to hurt me. No weapons, guns, raccoon smoking a meth pipe. Nothing like that that's going to hurt me, poke me, stick me. Nothing like that, right?
Oh. Hey.
What?
Come here.
Hello?
The raccoon has her meth pipe.
As what?
Oh my god.
Her meth pipe.
You gotta be...
He's playing with the meth pipe right now. No, don't reach for it. That's evidence.
Yeah, ma'am, please allow the raccoon to smoke the meth pipe unobstructed, please. This is for everyone's enjoyment, so please quit reaching for it. Also, it's evidence, but first, let's laugh at this together.
Now.
Oh, I don't want him to have that.
That's why I'm gonna
Also, ma'am, why is there a raccoon smoking a meth pipe in the vehicle?
do it. Hey, buddy.
Huh?
It's okay.
Okay, you're on our...
Also, follow-up question. I know I've asked a few here in the couple of the last 10 seconds, but how have the dogs not murdered the raccoon to a bloody pulp yet?
He'll be here in 2 minutes. I'm right across from my house.
Is that what that
A
is?
few minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is what she's smoking meth in.
Okay.
The raccoon's playing with her meth pipe.
Alright.
Oh, there's no one. He's trying to
got-
smoke it.
Alright.
How many meth pipes are in here?
No way. All right. Enough fun and games.
Here.
You good?
Oh my god.
Huh?
Oh.
Yeah, he's on his way here.
Keep an eye. She was trying.
Why would he not come look at this situation? Like, the second I heard the words raccoon anything smoking a meth pipe, like any animal, especially rodentia, how does he immediately not, like, skip up to the car? Like, in complete joy. Just because he's about to witness, like, one of the greatest anomalies ever to be shared with humans.
Trying to take the meth pipe out of the car. Just keep an eye on her real quick.
Wow. That is tremendous, I must say. Yeah, that's definitely one of my favorite videos of all time. Holy smokes. I have no words. Golly, other than I'm very jealous I was never in a similar situation as a cop. That would have been a real treat to see. I love how they're also kind of just not surprised while they stand outside the mattress firm. Wow. I give the raccoons an A+, or the raccoon, I should say, an A+. And I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Bye. Feels like I'm standing